So this demo is on IBM Security AppScan. Double-click on the icon to start the tool. Select a full scan, click Yes, type URL demo.testfire.com, click OK, Yes, then I'm going to save as test. Now our scan is started. We'll have to wait for some time for the scan to complete. Now the Phase 2 scan has started. Our vulnerability scan has completed. We're going to create a report by clicking on the report icon. Executive summary and security issues are selected. We want to also select advisories, fix recommendations, and application data. Then click on the Save Report button and save the report as Test Security Report. Report progress is still going on. Report is generated. And let me explore the report. We see here the vulnerabilities. There are 4 cross-site scripting vulnerabilities, and you see other vulnerabilities listed here. This report has 206 pages. You can go through all the pages to understand it better.
Hey Jeff, what do you say we keep things going a little bit
do
and
it.
talk about GFI LandGuard?
Love it.
Now, based on data from the National Vulnerability Database, Apple iOS is the operating system with the most security vulnerabilities in 2012, surpassing Windows operating systems for the first time. A lot of you may not know that. GFI LandGuard offers agentless vulnerability assessment for all smartphones and tablets that connect to your Microsoft Exchange servers. Apple iOS, Google, Android, and Windows phones are supported. GFI LandGuard acts as a virtual security consultant.
Right, and GFI LandGuard features, and there are many, they include patch management for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, vulnerability assessment, vulnerability scanning for computers and mobile devices, network auditing, which is important, network and software auditing in the hands of an attacker, perform a network security audit smart reporting, complete patch management solution, and GFI LandGuard report information includes service pack level of the machine, open ports, open shares, services applications active or on the computer, key registry entries, weak passwords, users, and groups. Lots going on there.
A lot of great detail.
Yeah.
So what are the LandGuard network security scanner features? LandGuard shuts down unnecessary ports, closes shares, installing service packs and hotfixes, and detects potential Trojans installed on users' workstations. GFI LandGuard NSS identifies well-known services such as HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, Telnet, SMTP, and also supports banner grabbing. That is, it requires or queries port information and application names.